हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड लाइव। दिस इज योर होस्ट संस्कृति। आज हमारे साथ है वो जिन्होंने हमें हंसा हंसा कर हमारा दिल जीत लिया एंड देन सरप्राइज्ड अस विद एन ऑल न्यू अवतार इन तांडव, एंड नाउ ही इज रेडी टू वाओ अस विद सनफ्लावर। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सुनील ग्रोवर। वेलकम सर।
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sanskriti, for such kind words.
So, firstly, let us talk about your journey, being one of the most, top comedians on television, and then entering movies, and now OTT. We are sure this was a challenging journey. So, what is that one lesson you have learned in this journey that you hold close to your heart?
I came across many lessons, but I don't know if I've learned those. Uh, I try to experience various mediums, various things, and I'm lucky that I got an opportunity to do that because as a person, a little bit of as an artist, I feel experiencing is the most beautiful thing uh, to to be part of different kind of setups and find yourself and challenge yourself a little bit. And I enjoy that process of getting there and achieving to whatever extent I can.
Also, Sunflower had a positive word going for it ever since the trailer has released. So, what is that one thing that made you say yes to this project?
See, when Mr. Vikas Behel offered me this script, I loved reading it and I wanted to be part of it. And he was making it, directing it, creating it. So, and he's a mind that I've always admired his work. So, and it's a great script. So, I just wanted to be part of it. So, that's what it was.
Also, fans have known and loved you for the comic roles and Fir Aaye Tandav or a Sunflower. Was it a big challenge for you while you were making this big switch from comedy to this genre?
My destiny got me here and to this genre. Uh, Nobody knew a few years back there will be a platform called OTT, and it happened. So no contribution from my end. The platform came up with this amazing idea, amazing way of telling a story, and luckily I am part of these times. I and so it happened. But it's a nice format where I we are in good times where earlier films are beautiful, of course it's a great medium, but then sometimes you can't say a few things even if the scene is good, it's working, uh, you have to cut it because you tell your story in 2 hours or 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
And whereas wherein in this medium allows you, if something is good you can retain it, so that's nice. And uh, and the kind of body of work I had been doing comedy and getting into various characters in a comic way and making caricatures out of those emotions. So it gives me as an opportunity to explore a different way of portraying a character, which is beautiful, which is new, which is fresh for me.
Also, talking about Sonu Singh, so fans have noticed some similarities between Sonu and your radio show character Hasi Ke Faware. What do you have to say about it?
Yeah, Sonu promises one thing that sometimes when he comes on screen, apart from his other emotion, he makes you laugh. So, I mean, of course, people can relate things and they're most welcome to do that. But this character also offers few other things, and the story and the once you watch the show, you'll realize, you'll know there are few things which are layers to Sonu's character, and it is the outcome of Mr. Vikas Behel's mind, is his storytelling, and I believed in it and did it. So I actually Sud is very close to my heart, as in I loved, and this is the was first time when I got acknowledgement and I was received by the audience in a positive way, and it was the outcome of my own mind, the character, when I thought of it. So, and it gave me immense confidence as somebody who's in the entertainment business, who's trying his best to work here for a few years. So it gave me the ground. So though it was on radio, but it led to one thing and another thing. So uh, yeah, so I actually there could be a few things, and till the time they're making people laugh and people feel entertained, and so that's fine.
Yes. If you look at your journey, you have worked on TV, Bollywood, and OTT. So, how different it is to act in these three mediums?
Actually, I have worked in more mediums.
Yes,
But
yes.
yes, you asked about these three mediums. The TV, um, there's no, there's always a start, uh, but each day it's a very challenging medium, and you have to be really skilled to do that because every day I have been mostly part of non-fiction shows on TV. So
Hmm.
we
Yeah.
would work on a script with the writers and make maybe if the writers are coming up with good script, then you have to make it your own, believe in it, and do it. And sometimes you also have some suggestions. You give your inputs, what you can do and what you can, how we can portray it. But a lot of talent and skill is required in that medium on a very personal level, and you have it, it's somewhere non-fiction setup kind of television becomes your own expression after a while because you what you believe in, what you know, you have to present as an actor, as a performer, as a comedian. I'm talking about my kind of work that
Yeah.
I had been doing. uh, uh, and in films there's a start, middle, and end to a story, and it's actually a representation of someone else's mind, where the person is the director or is telling a story could be his or someone else's, but then he's the man who is actually telling a story, and he tells you how to approach it and make someone else's thought your own in a limited time. But in web shows, web series, in these OTT platforms, when you're telling a story is comparatively longer, and you have to have a different kind of skill to hold uh, people's attention for that many hours.
Yeah.
Those many hours, because it is very difficult, because you want the audience to get back to another next episode. So it requires certain amount of skill, and it's a fresh thing. Um, so the experience of working with good people who know their job well.
Yeah.
So it's challenging at the same time, more challenging. Yeah.
Also, if we ask you one Bollywood actor or actress or TV actor actress who should make his or her OTT debut, who it should be and why?
I'm so self-obsessed that I never thought about anyone else. I never thought over it. I have only been thinking about myself. I think I would like to see Mr. Salman Khan in a web show, but I don't know if he agrees or if he has time to do that. But I would love to see him in a web show.
So, fans have pointed out that, Sunil Grover has become a fixed cast in Salman Khan films. What is your reaction to this?
I wish that was possible, that would have happened. Then I had regular work to myself. But I worked for the first time and that was the last film that I've done with him. But I wish that I am fixed cast in his films. But that is not going to happen because when Salman Khan is there, that is fixed. And it's his film. And you feel only happy and lucky that you are part of that project. And Bharat has been an amazing experience.
So coming back to Sunflower, your message for fans, who should not be missing this web series, and we request you to say that, in Gutti style.
देख लो इतनी दाढ़ी में कोई गुत्थी ऐसी
चल जाएगी हमें.
आप देखना मत भूलिए सनफ्लावर 11 जून को. ये फूल खिलेगा गुलशन गुलशन खिलेगा गुलशन गुलशन.
Thank you so much. That was really great. So thank you for your time, and I love chatting with you.
संस्कृत सुनील सुनील Z5 11 जून सनफ्लावर मैं कट पकोताल.
Thank you.
Thank you.